Today we will discuss about exercise number 1.5. So first see what is the first question. First question is classify the following numbers as a rational or irrational. See, root 5 is rational or irrational? Irrational. So if you subtract any irrational number from a whole number, it also a irrational number. Now see, 3 plus root over 23 minus root 3. So this one cut, so equals to what? 3. And you know 3 is what? Rational number. Now see, root 7 gone. What is left? 2 by 7. So 2 by 7 what? This one also rational. Next, 1 by root 2. You know that root 2 is a irrational number. So same way 1 by root 2 also irrational number. Pi also irrational number. So 2 pi is also irrational. Complete. Our next question. Simplify each of the following expression. 3 expressions are here. So we will simplify it. See, what is sign here? Multiplication. And how many terms are here? 2 terms. That's why I will write this 2 plus root 2 2 times. 2 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2. And how many terms are here? 2. Write here 3 and plus root 3. Equals to 3 2s are 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. So it is the answer. Done. Now we will see the next one. See, a plus b and a minus b. First term same and second term same. Only difference is this plus sign and here minus sign. You know a plus b equals into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So we will write here 3 square minus root 3 whole square. Reason is a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square equals to 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Done. Now we will see the last one. What is there? Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. You know the formula of a plus b whole square? Root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square equals to 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 equals to 7 plus 2 root 10. This is your answer. Basically, root over 9.3 doesn't matter. The matter is how to find out the root over value of any number. It may be decimal, it may be whole number. There is no problem. Just to find out the root over value of any value like x or 9.3 or 7.3, we will learn how to draw the root over of any value. In your book, question is 9.3. That's why we need 2 lines. One is 9.3 unit and another is 10.3 unit. After drawing, I will explain you why I am taking this 1 unit here. First, see how to draw. For any value, we need what? We need 1. We have to add 1 unit extra with previous value. So first you take one big line in your copy. Now by compass, first we have to take 9.3 from rough side. Okay, so it is my 9.3. I have the exact value 9.3 here. So first you draw 9.3 here. Same way, on that line construct 10.3. I am taking this here centimeter scale as a unit. Okay, you can take any other unit also, but for this 0.3 it is easier to draw by the ruler, centimeter ruler. Now you know that here to here 9.3 and here to here 10.3. Now I am going to bisect this 10.3 here, and you know the bisection rule. Okay, now I am going to join. Actually this point, midpoint, we required here. No need to draw the entire bisecting line. First you see is it passing or not. Yes, it is passing. So just find out the midpoint. Now taking this length here to here, taking this length as a radius, construct a semicircle. Okay, and by protractor or by compass you construct here 190 degree. I am showing here by protractor because due to lack of time I am not showing here the drawing by 90 degree by compass. I am not showing here the construction of 90 degree by compass. I am showing here only by protractor due to lack of time. So particularly at the end of 9.3 I am going to construct this perpendicular line. Yes, now join it. Value of root over 9.3 is here. This length is known as root over 9.3. So now you take the length of this one, okay, and construct it here. And now give name. First you give your initial line AB. So AB is here and it is AC. So definitely it is C, and it is D. Give here E. So write BE equals to BD equals to root over 9.3 unit. I will explain it now why it is root over 9.3. Consider this one is as a x. Now in this video I will explain why BE equals to root over x or root over 9.3 ... Okay, any value you can take, any value, root over any value. Okay, so that's why first you consider AB, this length is x, and I told you if this line is x, then this line will be x plus 1 unit. We have to take one extra. So same way, if it is x, so here A to C, x plus 1, and I bisecting the line AC, so definitely OC equals to OA equals to x plus 1 by 2. Right. So if I ask you what is the value of OE, OE equals to OC equals to OA, because it is a radius. See, if it is semicircle, O to A and O to E, both are same na? This one equals to this one because they are radius. So if it is x plus 1 by 2, so definitely it also x plus 1 by 2. Now I will here explain how this BE becomes root over x. But before that, we have to find out the value of OB also. Here BC equals to 1 unit, OC equals to x plus 1 by 2 unit. Therefore OB equals to OC minus BC, OC minus BC equals to value of OC what? X plus 1 by 2 na? X plus 1 by 2 minus BC means 1. After subtracting you will get x minus 1 by 2. Right. Now by Pythagoras theorem, what you can write here? By Pythagoras theorem you can write OE square equals to OE square equals to OB square plus BE square, implies that BE square equals to OE square minus OB square. So what is the value of OE square? Value of OE equals to x plus 1 by 2. Here you can write R, x plus 1 by 2 here. So x plus 1 by 2 minus value of OB what? X minus 1 by 2 whole square. So A square minus B square. So definitely A plus B and A minus B. After calculation you will get here x, and here is 2 by 2 equals to x. So therefore BE square equals to x. So be square equals to x. So here you can write be equals to root over x unit. That's why value of this one is root over x. So after constructing this be here by compass, you can write therefore be equals to bd equals to root x unit. Very easy. Watch the video again. I hope it is very easy to understand why this one is root x or root over 9.3 or any value. Watch the video slowly and must practice the drawing. So in this way you can find out the value of root 2, root 3, root 5, any. Okay, so try to draw the figure in your home, and if you like the video, don't forget to share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. This is question number 5. Your question is rationalize the denominators of the following. Denominator means root 7. Root 7 is which number? Irrational or irrational? It is actually irrational. Only this part, root 7, irrational, right? So question is, you have to change this root 7 into rational number. So the procedure is, suppose if root 7 is here, then you can write like this, 1 into root 7, same number you are going to multiply. So root 7 into root 7, I am multiplying here the root 7 by same number, means root 7. So you know that root 7 equal into root 7 what? 7. Root 7. See the denominator, no root over sign. It means it is only this 7 is, only this denominator is now rational. Now see the next one. One by root 7 minus root 6. See here one extra part, that is root 7 minus root 6. In this case we will multiply same thing but sign change. See root 7 minus root 6, here root 7 plus root 6. So here you write root 7 plus root 6 equals to, if you cut this root 7 plus root 6, again your question, so right here root 7 whole square minus root 6 whole square. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square, and root 7 plus root 6 here equals to 7 minus 6, and here root 7 plus root 6. 7 minus 6 what? 1. No need to write the denominator. But here we write 1 because in your question rationalize the denominator. See your denominator now becomes here 1. Same way we will do this one. So I am going to multiply this one root 5 plus root 2 here. So multiplied by opposite one, root 5 minus root 2. So here root 5 minus root 2 equals to root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square equals to root 5 minus root 2 by 5 minus 2 equals to here 3, here root 5 minus root 2. Same formula, a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. Now the last one, this one 1 by root 7 minus 2. Same way 1 by root 7 minus 2 is multiplied by the reciprocal one. root 7 plus 2. So here also root 7 plus 2 equals to root 7 plus 2 by root 7 whole square minus 2 square equals to root 7 whole square, what, 7 minus 4, and here root 7 plus 2 equals to 3, and here root 7 plus 2. Answer. See 3, no root over sign is there. So this way we will do. So you must practice the example sums of NCERT. So here we complete exercise number 1.5.